Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes and myself Padma. Today we will be seeing how to prepare oothapam using wheat flour. Now this is an evening snack that is had along with tea or coffee. It's a very tasty and healthy dish that can be had either alone or along with side dishes such as pickle or even coconut chutney. Children love it along with sugar. In this post, we will see how wheat flour oothapam is prepared. Coming to the ingredients, I have used 1 cup wheat flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons grated coconut, 2 to 3 green chilies, cut them into thin slices, or you can add even more if you want it a little more spicy. 2 sprigs curry leaf chopped, salt to taste, and water as required to make the dough, oil for roasting. So these are the ingredients that you will be requiring. If you don't want to use green chilies, you can even use chili powder. Then asafoetida is also required as one of the ingredients. Now for preparing the dough, the dough for this wheat oothapam is a semi-solid dough. So first take wheat flour, coconut scrapings, sliced green chilies if you are using green chilies, or even you can add red chili powder, curry leaves chopped into a wide mouth mixing bowl. Add salt and mix well. Then add water little by little and make a semi-solid dough. Heat a tawa on the stove. Place banana leaf and smear it with oil. I have used banana leaf to get a good aroma for the appam. If you do not have one, you can make the appam directly onto the tawa after smearing the tawa with oil. Place the dough on the banana leaf and spread it with wet hands to form a round shape like oothapam. Drop oil from the sides as well as on the top. Cover with another banana leaf and then cover it with a lid and cook till done. Now flip it over and cook the other side. Drop oil from the sides once you flip it. So when you flip it, you can see that a light brown color has formed onto the side which has cooked. Cook till done, and when your oothapam is ready to be served. While serving, cut it into pieces of your desired shape. You can either serve it with some spicy pickle, or if you want too much of spiciness, or for your children will like it along with sugar, or even you can have it along with coconut chutney, or without any of the side dishes you can have it as such. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.